So for day 4 of Mental Health Week 2015, I'm going to be talking about therapy awareness. Now I know that sounds kind of funny because I think a lot of people are doing videos around different mental health topics awareness, but I'm going to talk about therapy awareness. Because although it is the 21st century and it's 2015, there's still a lot of people who think that therapy or going for counseling or speaking to a therapist is only for people that have major issues or major problems or really severe mental health stuff or really need crazy amounts of help because they've got some really wild things going on in their lives. But I'm here to bring awareness to the fact that anyone needs counseling. Everyone needs counseling. You don't have to be going through something huge or major in order to go and benefit from talking to a therapist. You can be dealing with things like stress at work, feeling, overwhelmed with work. You can go for, feeling anxious about things that are coming up in your life that you're not really sure why you're feeling anxious and you're not, doing really well at handling it and you want to have help with that. You can go and talk to a therapist because you're struggling with self-esteem, because you don't believe in yourself, because you're having a hard time feeling good about who you are, and you can go and get help for that. You can go and talk to a therapist if, like in my other videos this week, talking about, being a new parent and some of the struggles that come with that. If you're struggling and you think you would be helpful to go and talk to someone and get some support, you can go and talk to a therapist about that. You can talk to a therapist about pretty much anything. If you're struggling, if you're not feeling good the way that you want to feel good, if you're not enjoying your life to the degree that you want to be enjoying it, if you feel like something's off and you're not even really sure what, and you just want to talk to someone to figure out what's not going well and figure out how to get it to go better, you can go and talk to a therapist. My mantra is that everyone needs a therapist. Everyone needs a space where they can go, where it can be all about them, where they can talk about whatever they want to talk about, where they can sort through whatever they want to sort through, where they don't have to feel guilty about taking up the entire time talking about themselves, where you don't have to, worry about making sure that, you ask the other person how they're doing, because you don't ask therapists how they're doing. It gets to be all about you, and it's a really cool experience. If you've never been to therapy, if you've never spoken to a counselor, it can be a really amazing thing and a really positive thing, and I think that everyone deserves to have a therapist. And yeah, so if you haven't yet gone for therapy, and if you have gone for therapy, good for you. You know what I'm talking about, and you know how wonderful and life-changing it often is, and you know how much of a difference it makes and how great it feels to go and be able to have that space. So yeah, if you haven't seen a therapist, I highly recommend it, and if you have seen a therapist, great for you.